Now, James, you called me the other week about this trip to Lydden Hill or something. Here we are. What's this all about?
Well, it's just a fun day out for us. A bit of showboating in front of the crowds and showing the crowds what a rear-wheel drive car looks like.
Yeah.
How it goes around the circuit.
So we've got all sorts of supercars here, four-wheel drives, all sorts, but maybe we can be as much a show as they are.
Well, it's quite interesting to see. Quite often the spectators get more enjoyment out of an old-school type Mark II Escort than they do out of some of the supercars.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's good fun.
Let's see how it goes.
Yep.
So here we are on the start line at Lydden Hill. It's just a demonstration run. We're going to be started off at 10-second intervals, so it's theoretically not a race. Still thrilling sitting here anyway, and should be interesting doing 3 laps of good old Lydden Hill. Now, welcome to John Taylor, one of my childhood heroes, winner of the Ulster Rally in 1978. I can remember spectating on it in a car just like this. Obviously we did the Ulster Rally just last weekend, all these years later. How do you reflect on these cars all this time later? Still the best ones ever.
Oh, fantastic to drive, great fun. I think that was the thing, front engine rear wheel drive, you've got to have them pointing the way you wanted to come out of the corner, going into the corner.
Yeah.
So it was and I think what is interesting is that the Roger Albert car rally, which is about historic cars, you talk to the drivers, you see the drivers, they really enjoy themselves. And I'm not so sure in the supercars as they come now. They seem to have the fun that we had in our day.
So here we are ready for a demonstration run here today, so let's see if we can recreate some of that fun.
Good.
Okay, we're here at Lydden Hill doing rallycross now. Marcus, how does it compare to rallying?
No, it's a little bit different. It's, I mean, we are doing the same track and it's short.
Yeah, but all these other cars get in the way.
Yeah, there is other cars and we are starting at the same time and with traffic here and there.
Yeah.
But I mean, I did motocross before rallying, so I am used to the start and used to the little bit, fighting. But so this is good sport for me now to just a little bit cool down.
And the start lines are always very exciting. Gets the heart rate going.
Yes, it is, because you have to get everything right, and the start is so important.
Yeah, brilliant. Lovely to have you here. Anyway, back in the UK as well.
Thank you.
Lovely. Thanks very much.